Alright, y'all. We got the tire back on. Tire liner installed. We got 35 psi to start with. What you need to do is you need to make sure these tabs right here on the hub go on the inside, and they need to be facing this way. Then that will align with this. Alright, now that you get it here, this is going to be a tough spot on e-bikes. This is a lot tighter than a regular mountain bike. You're going to have to pry this in. Oh, it's a bit of a fight. It always is with these hub motors. But you got it back in. You see the tabs are facing up. I don't know why, but it's weird. But anyways, that's how it goes. Time to lock it down.